Listen, I love SMMA, but forget about it. Drop the SMM and just focus on the A. Okay, if you're thinking of getting into SMMA, you're not thinking of getting into SMMA. You're thinking of getting into starting an agency, okay? And I don't want you to be limited to just social media marketing because there's so many blue oceans out there that are not within the realm of social media marketing. What about PPCA? What about CROA? What about SEOA? What are all these terms I'm throwing out here? PPCA, pay-per-click agency, okay? That's actually the type of agency that I have. What about SEOA? That's a search engine optimization agency. What about CROA? That's a conversion rate optimization agency. These are a bunch of acronyms that nobody talks about. Why? I don't know. Probably just because SMMA gets the most hype. I don't have a social media marketing agency. I have a PPC agency, PPCA. But nobody uses that term because it hasn't caught on as a trend. So simple video, ladies and gents, if you're thinking of starting an agency, not an SMMA, but an agency, consider all your options. Think bigger, right? And I've made over 300 videos on this channel. My agency today has been running for about 5-6 years. Started when I was 19 years old, had no money, and it's scaled to now we're on pace to do about $1.8 to $2 million this year. It's super cool. We got about 20 people on the team. Love it. I'm so blessed. Can't believe I've gotten here. And this channel has almost 300 plus videos on helping you start and scale an agency. So consider all your options. This isn't a channel just about SMMA. I talk about SMMA because it's a super popular term on YouTube, but check out some of the other videos. Also, if you're interested, maybe you are interested in agency birth. This is going to be a free or potentially a program that charges a nominal fee. There's a wait list right now. It'll help you go from 0 to 10K per month. I really want to launch it for free because I don't really need to charge for it. But some people are giving me feedback that I should charge like 99 bucks a month or something super simple, like a Netflix subscription. You cancel anytime, do whatever you want with it. But that's it. That's all I got. So just forget about SMMA. Consider all your options. All right, ladies and gents, much love and ciao. Hey friend, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to watch another one that's extremely valuable, I just selected it for you and you can check it out by clicking it right there on the other side of the screen across from my face. All right, friend, enjoy. Thanks for watching the channel.